So hello everyone, in today's session we'll be discussing some questions related to sentence correction. As discussed previously, I already discussed with you what is sentence correction and how to answer questions of sentence correction. In today's session we will be discussing some questions which are related to this section, and it will give you more clarity on how to solve these kind of questions and how to answer them. Okay, it will be very easy, and yet you will have to understand that how to you you can score good marks if you are answering these questions. These are very easy questions, but yeah, you have to be very patient enough to figure out what kind of questions do come here. Okay, now let's read the direction first. Direction says, in each of the following questions, find out which part of the sentence has an error. If there is an error, no mistake, the answer is no error. Okay, the level of the question will be like mixed levels are there, some easy questions, some medium, some difficult level questions. So we are catering to all kinds of questions here. Let's get started and answer the questions. Okay, so the very first question which is, the road to famous monument passes through a forest. So what will be the error here? The road to a famous monument needs the indefinite article. The road to a famous monument passes through a forest. This will be the answer, and hence the error is in option number, the error will be option number B. So we'll mark B as the answer. To a famous monument will be an appropriate answer. Our housing society comprises of 6 blocks and 33 flats in an area of about 1000 square meters. No error. Definitely there is an error. The error is in option number A. It will be comprise means consist of, right? To include, comprising of, and using comprising of is redundant. Hence, you need not use of here. It can simply be, our housing society comprises 6 blocks and 33 flats. This way. Next, now that she is living in her own flat, she cleans the windows twice a week in the summer and once a week in the winter. No error. The error here is in option number B, which says she cleans the windows. Should be she cleans the windows. She cleans the windows, or she is cleaning the windows, because it's a habit. It's a habit which she is following, which she is doing on a regular basis. So we should use she's cleaning the windows regularly. She's living, because you see here it says she's living. So why cleans here? It should be she is cleaning, right? Next, with little imagination and enterprise, the tournament could have been transformed into a major attraction, and no error. Definitely this sentence has no error. It's appropriate. Next, these display the remarkable variety. Okay, the error here is in option number C. A remarkable. These display sorry, not C, it's B. These display a remarkable variety. Or you can say varieties. At times you can also say varieties. I think we should go with option number C, which says even if we use if I use varieties, it is appropriate. Next question. If you have faith in Almighty, everything will turn out to be alright. No error. Okay. In sentence, in part A, you see, if you have faith in the Almighty, we need to use article the with something which is supreme. If you have faith in the Almighty. According to the Bible, it is meek and humble who shall inherit the earth. Okay. So the error here is option number C, which says who shall inherit the earth. Instead it should be who will inherit the earth, because will is more common and natural in modern English, so we use will instead of shall. Next, I am not wealthy, So I cannot afford to buy a expensive car. It will be an expensive car. An expensive car. Next. Sunita opened almirah full of books and took one of them. An almirah, not a almirah, an almirah, and took one of them for reading. Next. Most people would have attended the union meeting if they had longer notice of it. Okay, there's nothing wrong with this sentence, but I think even then we should go with like a single had. So D is appropriate. Next is my father is in bad mood. Is in a bad mood. In a bad mood. Okay. So the error here is in option number B. Okay, these sentences given below are grammatically incorrect. Pick out the best suitable option to correct the sentence. Okay, so we have to select a sentence which is correct. Okay, the question is the employees of this company demands are demanding, have been demanding higher salaries, higher salaries, demanding higher salaries for a very long period of time, long time. Okay, so which one of the following is more appropriate? You have to select. So the best answer which I see here is, you read question number 4, option number 4. The employees, first of all, there are many people, so employees of this company have been demanding continuously, they are demanding, so present continuous, present perfect continuous, higher salaries, salary which they are getting higher than that, right, for a very long time. So the correct answer is option number 4. Next, the train is expected to arrive between 11 p.m. to 12 p.m. The train is expected to arrival for arrival between by. So you have to choose which one of the following is more appropriate. So here you read all the sentences and the correct answer is the train is expected to arrive between 11 p.m. to 11 p.m. and 12 p.m. Now 11 between is followed by and, so it will be between and. Definitely between 2 is inappropriate, between or between 2. So we are only left with one option which is option number 2. Next question. If the cab would have started on time, she would have reached office on time. Okay, if the cab would have had started on time, she had reached office on time, she would have reached the office on time, she had reached office on time, she would have reached office on time. Okay, out of all these 4 sentences, the correct sentence is option number 4. If the cab had started on time, she would have reached office on time. That's it. Next, the renowned Birla family is divided on the property. Okay, so you have to select one option which specifies the meaning and is very appropriate grammatically. The renowned Birla family or Birla's family, what will you choose? Definitely Birla family. So just the moment you say Birla family, you are eliminating option this. We are only left with 2 and 4. Let's read 2 and 4. Is divided, Birla family divided or is divided for the property. Is it happening now? But in general, we are talking in general. So I'll go with option number 4, which says the renowned Birla family divided on the property. Taking them as collective, like seeking them as collective noun. Okay. What kind of car do you want? What kinds of car do you want? Definitely kinds will not be appropriate. Are the kinds of car? Again, not appropriate. 1 and 4 eliminated. What kind of a car or car do you want? Wanting, definitely not wanting, so the only answer we are left with is option number 2. Nishi said to the boy, can you take me home now? Nishi asked the boy if he could take her home then, that if he could, okay, that if he would, if he can take her. Okay, the correct answer is option number 1. Nishi asked the boy if he could take her home then. Next, select the alternative that is the best substitute of phrase a loud, harsh, piercing cry. So a loud, harsh, piercing cry is known as what? If in a sentence it is used and you have to use one particular term, what will you use? Howl, noise, scream or screech. Definitely when you drop any utensil in the kitchen, it's a screeching sound which you get. Okay, piercing sound. The payment was collected by the hardworking salesman. The hardworking salesman collects the payment. The hardworking salesman was able to collect the payment. The hardworking salesman collects the payment. To collect the payment, the salesman had to work hard. Okay, the correct answer is option number 3, which says the hardworking salesman collected the payment. Though very old, yet my grandfather is the complete head of the extended family.